Hi, welcome to your first day on the job as a machine operator. We're currently located in Labrador City, Labrador. Today, you'll be operating this massive cable shovel excavator, which we will use to collect fragmented rocks. This contains both hematite and magnetite, from which we can extract iron ore. But first, we need to go over how to drive. Press the large button in front of the machine to move to the operator's cab. This is the operator's cab, where we can control the machine using the various joysticks in front of you. To get started, grab the ignition key. Stick the key into the ignition to turn on the machine. All right, now that it's on, I'll go over how to operate the cable shovel excavator. There are two large joysticks in front of you. Each of these controls the movement of the treads. Pushing one forward will move its corresponding tread in that direction, turning the machine. When they are used at the same time, you'll move the machine forward or backward. Try turning the machine to the left by pushing the right joystick all the way forward. Now turn the machine to the right by pushing the left joystick all the way forward. To move the machine forward, you'll want to push both joysticks forward at the same time. And finally, to reverse, pull both joysticks backward. Nice work. Next, we'll go over how to operate the shovel of this machine. For this, you'll be using the smaller joystick on your right to move the shovel up and down. You'll use the smaller joystick on the left to rotate the cab independently of the treads. Push the smaller left joystick to the left to rotate the cab in that direction. Try rotating the cab to the right by pulling that same joystick to the right. Now we'll move the shovel using the smaller right joystick. Collecting materials is accomplished by moving the shovel away from the cab. This is done by pushing the right joystick forward. Try this now. You can check to see how full the shovel is by checking the small monitor on the right side of the cab. This displays how many fragmented rocks the shovel can hold. Underneath, the monitor displays the current angle of the shovel arm. If the angle of the shovel is above 80 degrees and it is full, you can release the contents by using the button below the ignition on the left. Press it now and watch as the shovel opens up in front of you. To lower the shovel, pull the smaller right joystick backward. All right, I'm digging the enthusiasm. Let's head over to our first site, which will be location D3 just down the hill. As you're driving, take a look around and enjoy the view. A lot of work has gone into constructing this mine. Mining is no small matter. Follow the guided path to get there by using the front controls. If you're not enjoying the drive, you can hit the autopilot button and it will take you directly to the site. The button is located on the left side of the cab. Great! Now that you're here, I'll walk you through your first job. Move the excavator so that the shovel is just at the base of the wall in front of you. Then, move the shovel away from the operator's cab. You'll see the shovel dig into the walls and slowly fill up. Check the monitor to see how full the shovel is. Fill up the shovel and then rotate the machine so that it is above the haul truck. Release the collected materials into the haul truck. Make sure the shovel arm is above 80 degrees. Repeat this process until that truck is full. All right, great job. Just heard from the geology team that we need to head over to location D12 on the other side of the area. They found that the concentrations of hematite and magnetite at that location are just what the processing plant is looking for. Again, if you don't like driving, you can hit the autopilot button. I think you're really getting the hang of things. Fill up this truck, and I'll talk to you when you're done. We've collected enough materials to keep the processing plant moving along efficiently, we can head home for the day. Follow the path and then park the machine. Don't forget about the autopilot button if you don't like driving. Now, turn off the machine by grabbing the key from the ignition. You head out whenever you're ready. Thanks so much for your work today. I think you're a real natural machine operator. Don't take that for granted.